What happens when an old typewriter starts predicting your death? Mudboots found his grandfather's 1940s typewriter in the dusty attic, perfect for keeping farm records. His dog watched curiously as he set it up in the kitchen. At first, everything seemed normal, just an old machine getting new life. Then it started typing single letters by itself, just random keys pressing down with no one touching them. Soon it typed complete words, then full sentences about tomorrow's weather. Rain at 3 in the afternoon, exactly as predicted. The messages became darker, warning about broken fence posts and injured cattle. Every prediction came true within days. Then it typed about Mudboots himself, his future injuries, money troubles, relationship problems. All of it happened exactly as written. One night, the keys began moving furiously, typing a detailed description of Mudboots' own death, the exact time, place, and gruesome method. He tried stopping the keys, but invisible fingers kept pressing them down. The typewriter finished the death prophecy, then immediately started typing his obituary.